welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? In today's video I'll be showing you guys step by step how I make my Guyanese fish broth. Alright, Guyanese fish broth, you can eat it with bread, cassava bread, rice, whatever you want to eat your fish broth with, you can do that. And also you can put whatever veggies you want to put inside of it as well. Right, I just made mine simple. I just used whatever I had in my fridge. I use that, but you guys can put whatever other vegetables you want to put in your Guyanese fish broth. All right, so I hope you guys are gonna enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. I would really appreciate it, guys. And don't forget, when you subscribe, please click the notification bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. All right, guys, so let me just show you how I make my delicious Guyanese fish broth. As you guys can see here, it's a different background because the girl is moving. All right, so you guys soon gonna get a little house tour from me as well. All right, so enjoy my Guyanese fish broth. Hey guys, these are my ingredients in my Guyanese fish broth. I'm using snapperfish today. I cut it up. I have all my spices, my seasoning, my shallots, celery, onion, garlic, lime, pepper. So now I'm going to show you guys how I season my fish. So I'm going to pour in my green seasoning, mustard, garlic powder, and some mango achar on top of the fish. So now I'm going to pour in my spices. So I'm going to put in some all-purpose seasoning, fish seasoning, paprika, ginger powder, black pepper, and I'm going to pour in some coconut oil. So you're going to take your clean hands and you're going to mix up all of the seasoning on the fish. You're gonna mix it real good. You can leave this to marinate overnight, or you can leave it to marinate for a few hours. I'm gonna leave it to marinate for a few hours. All right, guys. Or if you want, you can leave it to marinate for a few minutes, or you could just, when you finish seasoning it, you just cook it right away as well. So in a pot there, I'm gonna put some butter, about 3 tablespoons of butter into the hot pot. Let it melt a little bit. And then I'm gonna pour in some of my onion and my garlic. I'm gonna let my onion and garlic fry up for a few minutes into the butter. Just stir, stir, stir. So now I'm gonna pour in my fish into the butter. I'm gonna put it in one at a time. Yes, put them one at a time into the butter. So now here I'm trying to put the fish them together. So when I finish, I'm gonna close my pot and let it steam for a few minutes into the butter. As you can see, it formed its own water there. So I'm just gonna try to gently turn a few of them, gently, because you know you don't want your fish to loose up, all right? So now I'm going to pour in the rest of my seasoning. So I'm going to pour in my fine leaf thyme, weary pepper, my onion, my garlic, and my shallots. I also want to put in some lime. I'm using this seedless lime. Squeeze the lime. If you don't have lime, you can also pour in 2 tablespoons of vinegar. So I'm going to gently spread in my seasoning on top of my fish. So I'm just going to pour some water to cover the fish. I'm gonna pour in two chicken cubes and the rest of my spices as well. Just gonna pour all the balance inside. And you're just gonna gently stir the spices into the fish broth. So you're gonna cover your pot and you're gonna let that boil for a few minutes. After a few minutes, I'm just gonna open my pot. I have it on low heat right now. I'm gonna put in some veggies. I'm gonna put in some tomatoes and some pumpkin. Guys, you can put whatever you want to put inside, right? That's what I found in my fridge and I decided to use that, all right? You could put okra, you could put cabbage, you can put whatever you want inside. So I cover back my pot and let this boil for a few more minutes. So I'm gonna taste it now and see if it needs anything else more when I finish fixing those fish there. I don't know why I keep bothering the damn fish. So I'm just gonna pour in like a teaspoon of salt more and gently stir it in to the fish broth. So I'm gonna taste it now again and see if it's perfect or if it needs anything else more. I don't think it needs anything else more. So I'm just gonna cover back my pot now, let it boil for a couple more minutes, and then it's all done now. So I'm gonna open my pot here, and my Guyanese fish broth is finished, guys. It's all done. So I'm gonna plate it now. As you can see, I have it in a plate there. You could drink this just like this, or you can also eat it with cassava bread or rice. So I hope you guys are gonna enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for your support. All my measurements and ingredients will be in the description box down below, all right guys? And you guys can also check my playlist them as well. As you can see here, I also have it with 2 slices of bread. Like I said previously, you could also eat it with bread as well, all right guys? And you guys can check my description box for my playlist as well. I have different types of playlists, all right? Bye guys, thanks for watching.